Have you ever looked up at the night sky and dreamt of being an astronaut? Maybe blasting off wasn't your childhood fancy, but the idea of running a successful business has always driven you. Well, buckle up, because those two realities might just collide sooner than you think. That's right, the future of commerce is taking a giant leap forward, and it's not just a metaphor. We're talking about selling products from space. It might sound like science fiction, but companies like Axiom Space are building private space stations designed to house not just researchers and tourists, but also entrepreneurs. So, how exactly do you set up shop on a space station? What kind of products would you even sell up there? These are all valid questions, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of space commerce, unpacking the exciting possibilities and the not-so-small challenges that come with it. The Zero-G Marketplace. Imagine a world where your store has no physical location, but instead floats in microgravity. Products aren't delivered by trucks or drones, they zip around in pressurized capsules. Customers browsing your store might be casually tethered to the ceiling, flipping through a virtual catalog with their minds. It's a whole new ball game, and the rules are still being written. Products with an out-of-this-world appeal. So what kind of products would actually sell in space? Well, there's the obvious, anything an astronaut might need for daily life on the station. Spare parts for equipment, specialized clothing, high-tech hygiene products, these are all essentials. But the possibilities go beyond basic needs. Think about the growing space tourism industry. Tourists might be interested in space-themed souvenirs, like specially designed clothes or artwork created by astronauts themselves. Imagine a virtual store filled with 3D printed models of rockets or even personalized certificates commemorating your visit to space. The challenges of space commerce. Of course, setting up shop in space isn't all sunshine and moonbeams. There are significant hurdles to overcome. First, there's the issue of logistics. Getting your inventory to the space station is a complex and expensive undertaking. Every gram counts when it comes to launching rockets, so keeping your product selection lean and efficient will be crucial. Then there's the challenge of manufacturing. While 3D printing offers some possibilities for on-demand production, most products will still need to be manufactured on Earth and shipped up. This raises questions about quality control and potential delays. The brave new world of space marketing. Marketing your space store will also be a unique challenge. Traditional methods like billboards and TV commercials won't exactly work in the zero-G environment. Social media marketing, however, could take on a whole new life. Imagine interactive virtual tours of your space store or live streams showcasing the unique shopping experience on board the station. The future is up there. While space commerce is still in its early stages, it holds immense potential. It's a frontier ripe for innovative entrepreneurs with a thirst for adventure. The challenges are real, but the rewards could be astronomical. So, if you're looking to take your business to new heights, keep your eye on the space station. It might just be the next big marketplace. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.